Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice pulao. First, choose a high-quality long-grain basmati rice for an authentic taste and fluffy texture. Wash the rice several times until the water is perfectly clear, then let it soak for about 30 minutes. Next, cook the rice until it is approximately 80% cooked, ensuring each grain remains separate. Immediately spread the cooked rice on a tray to cool down completely. Using cold, day-old rice is a fantastic tip for achieving the ideal nonsticky result. Now, let's get those delicious flavors started. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or a wide, heavy-bottomed pan over a steady medium-high flame. Toss in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle and splutter for just a few seconds, releasing their fragrant aroma. Then, add 1 finely chopped onion, sautéing it until it becomes beautifully translucent and develops a light golden hue. Finally, incorporate your chosen vegetables, such as a half cup of peas, 1 diced carrot, and 1 sliced bell pepper, cooking them until they are tender crisp. It's time to bring everything together for our flavorful pulao. Carefully add the completely cooled rice into the wok with the sautéed vegetables. Now, let's season it perfectly. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Next, add 1 teaspoon of aromatic garam masala and a half teaspoon of vibrant turmeric powder for that classic golden color and depth of flavor. Gently toss and fold all the ingredients together, ensuring the spices and vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the rice, without mashing the grains. We're almost there. Continue to cook the fried rice pulao for another 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat, stirring gently every minute or so. This allows the rice to heat through completely and all the wonderful flavors to meld together harmoniously. For a burst of freshness, garnish your pulao generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice. Your aromatic and delicious fried rice pulao is now ready to be served hot, either as a satisfying main course or a delightful side dish. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.